Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on the PandaBuy affiliate program. I'm going to provide you with a complete guide for beginners on how exactly to use PandaBuy and make money through their affiliate program. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So for those who are still unfamiliar, PandaBuy is a fast-growing e-commerce platform that essentially provides a very smooth, affordable shopping experience for buyers, in addition to extraordinarily profitable selling infrastructure for entrepreneurs. So whether you're a casual shopper hunting for the absolute best deals on unique products not available locally, or an entrepreneur interested in effortlessly expanding your global e-commerce business, then PandaBuy offers a user-friendly interface to meet practically any need or budget. And now that we know what the website is about, we can discuss some smart ways that you can leverage PandaBuy's massive global platform to actually earn great additional income streams through multiple avenues with no need for you to deal with creating an expensive online store. And the easiest approach here is to tap into their affiliate marketing program. Essentially, PandaBuy will hook you up with a unique special referral link and promo code for your exclusive use. And then moving forward, you will then earn attractive commissions every time a new customer either creates a new PandaBuy account itself or places any tangible product order of their own using your own exclusive provided affiliate link. And the payout commission percentages vary reasonably between 2 to 10% depending on the ordered product category and the total order value generated through your referrals. But for context, average electronics category orders exceed $65. So even if the numbers may seem low, it really adds up very quickly and it can scale very fast. So in short, you need to creatively share your unique PandaBuy affiliate link absolutely everywhere relevant that you can provide legitimate value to audiences likely interested in e-commerce and the art of online arbitrage. And the way you can get access to your own affiliate links with PandaBuy is very simple. And the first step is that you want to create your own account onto the official PandaBuy website. So simply go to pandabuy.com and sign up for a free account. After that, click on the profile button and then go to user center. And from there, you want to scroll down all the way to affiliates, click on that. And then you will be presented with the user agreements and regulations. You can read through them and then once you're ready, click on accept. And from there, you can see your own dashboard. It says right here 30% bonus boost, and there are 3 methods that you can be sharing those links. The first one is by downloading the QR code of the product. You can also copy link of the product itself or copy an invitation code. There's also the level system with the affiliates and the commission structure. As you can see right here, I'm at the basic affiliate level, which stands at 3% bonus rate. Once you've got 5,000 credits, you will then advance to the bronze affiliate and you will earn 4% bonus rate. So you can copy your PandaBuy link from this dashboard right here, and every time somebody clicks on it, makes an account and makes a purchase, you will then be earning a commission based on the amount of money that they spend on the website. It's really as simple as that. Moving on, we want to talk about the top affiliate strategies. And while linking your affiliate link wherever possible is a good foundational strategy, let's talk about some more advanced kind of tactics that can and will take your earnings to the next level. And the very first one is to create reviews. One of the best ways to promote PandaBuy is by creating reviews centered around your personal experience as a customer first. Reviews are incredibly influential on people's purchasing decisions. And video reviews in particular, such as PandaBuy haul or unboxing, tend to perform extremely well viewer-wise. And the key here is providing actual value to the viewer. Share details about the items that you purchased, the ordering process, delivery timeline, packaging, and all of that. And then discuss what you liked or anything that could be improved so it comes across as authentic feedback. But again, the important part is that you include your affiliate link in the video description. That way, when viewers are compelled to give PandaBuy a try after watching your review, you get credit for those signups and earn commissions on their purchases. The second strategy that is highly effective as a promotional tactic is creating content around product finds and recommendations. And people are always on the hunt for the next new hottest shoe release or pants, for example, so serving as that tastemaker goes a long way. This helps build authority around your style sensibility and makes people eager to stay updated on your latest finds via your affiliate links. You can also get creative with the giveaway prizes too. Popular options include gift cards or high product reps, sourced through PandaBuy, or even cash prizes. Essentially, you want to offer something enticing enough to maximize entrants, which then translates to more PandaBuy affiliate conversions for you. And that's really all that you need to know to start earning money with PandaBuy right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it to be helpful, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.